Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by Ziri. I am currently playing as Jasper, or Jay, from Panic AU. Me and my brother over there, Loretto, are playing Chickentopia. Enjoy the video. What are we doing here? And aren't you supposed to be dead or something?
Give me chicken.
Fine, whatever.
Are these supposed to be things we're looking after?
Apparently, from what
Cool, I'm
Vivian
killing
told me.
What the heck? The chicken can fly!
Chickens can fly, that's common sense. They can somewhat fly. A chicken just laid 2 eggs on by itself. They can do that, but if those things hatch.
Wait. Alright, cool. I can finally send these ones away. I hate them. This one's cute.
How did the eggs get fertilized? Because you had that chicken all the way over there.
I don't know. Well, let's feed them. Oh God. They really want food.
Pink, purple apples? When was purple
Make them
apples
nice
a
and
thing?
plump.
When was purple apples a thing? Nuh-uh. That matches so well.
I want them to get nice and plump so I can eat them.
That's my mirror.
Okay. They've had enough food.
No, look at me. No, come here. Look at me. I just want to look down. That
Just take a picture?
Yes, because it looks identical.
They've lost her orange. Ooh, money! We got money.
Uzi,
Does it look like
Uzi, Uzi.
What?
This chicken.
Looks like a cow.
This chicken came out from the apple egg.
Chicken came out of an apple?
What? Yeah, I'm like, what?
Where does this go?
Well, I just put it up on the top, like a gumball machine, and I think I got an egg or something out of it.
This is my egg. What is this? What is this? Tell me what this is. What is this?
I could not tell you if I wanted to.
I don't like this egg. Can we dispose of it?
No, I want to see what it turns into. Maybe I can.
Need you to get nice and plump.
Yeah, there it is. There's the egg.
Yep, okay. Okay, now that we have eggs, it's time to ship you guys off. Bye.
Uzi, I just got a cupcake.
Oh, cool. Can I go smash these eggs somewhere? What the heck? Oh, hatch.
Hey, look what your egg turned
How is
into.
this one already grown up? I just hatched out of the. What is that? What kind of eggs are these?
I have
What
no
are
clue.
you?
My
I
cupcake.
don't like this one. Can I
The
get rid of
cupcake
it?
hatched. Uzi, the cupcake hatched.
Ugh.
Okay, let's try to sell this because it is a
Can I go throw this away? I don't like this one.
no.
It's weird. Too bad. Bye.
I can't sell it. What? That's weird.
I changed my mind. This egg looks really cool. Or a chicken. Oops. Oh god.
The army
Hey,
shall
really want that.
rise.
Oh, there's an egg. Oh, another egg. What kind of chickens are these? What the heck? Okay, well, we got 2 eggs. I'm going to get rid of this one. Oh, it's going off!
Is this
It's
a
gone.
bag or something?
What the heck? Why did it give you?
Why did
A bag.
Sin and V tell us to come here? Why did Sim and Vivian tell us to come here? What's the point?
More food? There. Oh god.
And how did you come back from the dead?
Okay. 2 eggs. Get rid of these chickens. I don't like them. First, you. Okay, money. There. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay.
Uzi, you can squish them.
Yay. Die. Die. Just took my money. What is that?
That's a
Oh,
strawberry.
that's a strawberry. Cool. I didn't know you were a farmer. This is cool. What the heck? Jesus Christ! No, we want eggs, not.
Sold out? Great.
Okay, well this one looks really cool. I like this one. Okay, we got a water and a fire. That's
Because I-
normal. See?
Okay,
So, where's our normal chickens? Okay, well, there's
we
one.
don't have any more. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I know it's the third time we've
This is the
done.
shortest video of all time.
I know this is the third time we've done Chickentopia. I keep calling up 2. I'm sorry.
Wait, no, this one's normal chicken. Oh god,
Wait, okay, I know.
there's more normal
I know it's the
chickens.
third time we've done this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. And if you want to see more videos like these, put it down in the comment
Can
section.
someone tell these chickens to
Anyways.
stop?
Goodbye.